channel. Today I'm gonna do this look and recreate it on this eye using this palette. I'm kind of excited to use this one because it has so many colors. Look at that, pretty. But today we're going to be using this color, that color, and that color. Okay, so let's get started. So I already primed my lid with the Tarte concealer. And we're going to get into it. So the first shade that I'm going to get is, I guess it's called Carol, something like that. I don't know. It's this one. You're going to get a fluffy brush like this. And we're just going to pack it in the corner of our eye, outer corner. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Don't mind my floss. And just keep packing it until it builds like a little bit darker, and where you can see the shade. Just keep on packing. And then what I do is I bring it around the eye like that. Like, you don't want to press too much in your eye. You want to be very light with the brush when you are spreading the shadow, okay? So don't press in and, you know, go like that, no. Just lightly, like a feather. You want to buff the color out. Very nice. All the way to the inner corner. And just back and forth. Just buff out the shadow. Okay, like that. And then you want to pack a little bit more in the corner, so you can see the shadow a little bit better, because when you like buff it out, you kind of erase what you put in the corner. So you just want to add a little bit to make it a little bit darker. Like that. Like that. And now we're gonna go with this shade. I don't know how to pronounce these shades, so I'm just gonna show you. But this one, and we're gonna use a Morphe M330 brush like this. There we go. It's a taper, kind of a taper. As you see, it's very pointy at the end. Okay, and we're just gonna dab into the color like this. Okay, and just circle it like that, and dab and dust the rest off. And we're just gonna lightly go dab and kind of like do like this. Like, find your crease and press into it. Now this one you don't have to go too light of a hand, but you don't want to go too harsh neither. And just follow your crease and go back and forth all the way to your inner corner. I'm gonna grab some more to build that color. Find your crease and dig it in there. Now this is when we do the cut crease type look, like I have right here. You'll see how I got that. I grabbed, this is an Anastasia brush, number 18. Like a flat brush like this. Okay, and I already had some Tarte tape concealer on me. So I'm just gonna grab some of that and start cutting it up. That much. Okay. Alright. I hate doing this part, it's so hard. See what I did there? I followed my inner corner line. I followed it and went up a little bit. And then I kind of pulled down the rest of the concealer. Like that. And you want to look straight and see if you got the line. This line. You see this line? So now you're going to follow that line and do your cut crease. If you have like my lids that are very, I don't know, like loose or wrinkly, whatever, don't drag it because that shit's gonna be hard. Just pull down, but not too hard. Like, you'll see. You see what I mean? Like that. Okay. And it's all gonna help you create the line. Because if you drag, I don't know, it's like if you drag the line, it's not gonna come out pretty. Like it's just gonna be like, what the fuck? Sorry, but it's the truth. You just keep dragging on that line. Not all the way to your inner corner, like half of your eyebrow, so right there. Okay. And you just kind of blend the rest. Like that. You gotta be careful. Don't drag. Okay? Like that. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna do this. We're gonna go back to the first brush we used and we're just gonna buff out that line, okay? And the rest of the shadow that's in here is gonna kind of make it like smoky type of look, like this one, okay? So we're just gonna buff it out. It kind of makes it look like a nice color. Buff out the concealer with the shadow, but it won't look like there's lines there, like that. Just gonna buff it out. Gonna buff out that line that you made with the cut crease. Buff out the inner corner a little bit. Not too much. You don't want to make it disappear neither. Okay, so like that. And whatever you have left on the brush, you're gonna pat it down. So you could get like a little, what is it, like pinkish look? Like that. Okay. That's what you're gonna do. And then with a flat brush, what I have here, you're gonna grab this shade, Jisa, I don't know, this one, just a little bit. You're gonna grab that and put it in your inner corner, like that. just pat it down. And if you feel like you put too much, you just grab the fluffy brush again and just blend it with everything else. Like that. And now you have yourself a cut crease type of orangey look, but not fully cut crease, you know what I mean. But anyways, this is the look. So I'm gonna finish my face, and then we're gonna go back, and then we're gonna come back, and I'll show you the finishing look. Okay, see you soon. Hi guys, so this is the finished look. I did my lashes. I don't want to apply no false lashes, but if you guys want to, go right ahead. And if you guys want to smoke the underneath the eyes, go right ahead. I personally don't want to because I usually do it if I'm gonna go out, like a glam type of look, I'll do it. But if you guys want to give this a try, be my guest with this palette. And please give this a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe, and leave any comments below if you want to see anything different, any suggestions. I'm happy to hear from you guys. Okay, I'll see you soon in my next video. Peace.